Welcome to the presentation of Vizrt Trio 3.0. My name is Rudi Brunner, and I'm going to show you some improvements in the Trio main window. The most visible change in the Trio main window is that we have introduced a main menu. The main menu replaces our old button panel. The only thing that is left of the old button panel is the on-air button on the right side, which you can switch on and off to prohibit operators from accidentally affecting any playout engine. In the menu, you have typical menu entries like the file menu, where you have the operations like importing, exporting a show archive, opening the show properties dialog, or the configuration dialog. In the page menu, you have typical page operations that affect the page list. Some of the operations are less frequently used, so they are moved from the page list context menu into the main menu. The Playout menu offers a lot of functions to operate playout engines, typically take, continue, and out. Many of these operations are still present in the user interface as buttons, but some of the more hidden features like the arm and fire are available only from the menu. The view menu allows you to open some windows or views, like for example the command window. But it also hosts functionality that used to be a little bit more hidden, that is the expert mode. The expert mode is a mode where you can show and hide some additional tab field properties. So let's, for example, take a look at this page. This page has exposed 3 tab fields that all contain one property, and that is a material property. When you switch to the expert mode, the scene is designed in a way that it has, besides the material property, 2 additional properties, that is the position and the visibility of the object. And a more advanced tree operator can then access these properties in the expert mode, for example, adjusting the position of this object or even hide it. While when you don't want to operate on these advanced top field properties, you just switch back to the normal mode, and then you end up again with a view where you only have the material property available. In the tools menu, you have various tools you can pop up from Trio. For example, you can switch to the Vizrt mode. You can show the timecode monitor for displaying progress of videos. Or if you have installed the social TV client application, you can pop up the feed streamer moderation tool. And the help menu, of course, offers you the Trio manual, legal notices, and the about box. Next to the main menu, we have some additional improvement in the main window. And that is when you have, like in this show, added a VTW frame. Then you can float this frame out of the main window and put it, for example, on a second screen, or adjust the position. And you can, of course, dock it back to the main window and then operate it from here. The state of the window, if it is floated or docked, or if it is, for example, minimized or maximized, is remembered even if you restart Trio. So you don't have to re-establish the docking state over and over again. The same is now offered for the preview panel. This can also now be changed in size, moved to a different screen if you have, so that you have more space on the right-hand side for the page editor. And of course, you can dock it back. So these are the main changes we did in the Trio window. Thanks for your attention.